Hey there, future metal moguls. Welcome to the exciting world of metal recycling, where everyday discards can turn into serious cash. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the absolute basics, your scrap starter pack. Ever look at something like this old soda can, a random piece of plumbing, or even some old wiring, and just see trash? Well, I see potential, hidden profit just waiting to be unleashed. And by the end of this episode, you will too. So, what exactly is metal recycling for profit? It's simple, really. It's about taking discarded metal items, whether they're from your home, a construction site, or even roadside finds, and turning them into money. But it's not just about collecting. It's about smartly identifying, sorting, and even upgrading these metals so you get the absolute maximum payout when you take them to the scrapyard. We're not just scrap collectors. We're metal strategists. Before we even think about profit, let's talk about the most important thing, safety. You're going to be handling all sorts of materials, and some can be sharp, dirty, or heavy. Always start with the right gear. That means sturdy gloves, I prefer these heavy-duty work gloves, and eye protection. A good pair of safety glasses is non-negotiable. And remember to lift with your legs, not your back. We want you profitable and healthy. All right. Gear check. Now, what do you need to get started? Forget the fancy machinery for now. Your initial toolkit is surprisingly simple. First up, a strong magnet. Any decent magnet will do, even one from your fridge. Next, a basic screwdriver, maybe a flathead, and a Phillips. And finally, a small hammer. That's it. With these three items, you're armed and ready to make your first profit-boosting decisions. And this brings us to our very first, and perhaps most crucial, profit pointer, the magnet test. This simple test instantly tells you if you're holding a ferrous metal or a non-ferrous metal. If the magnet sticks, like it does to this old pipe, you've got a ferrous metal. Think iron, steel. These are common, but generally have a lower value per pound. But if the magnet doesn't stick, like with this aluminum can, you've got a non-ferrous metal. These are your gold mines. Think aluminum, copper, brass. They're usually worth significantly more per pound. This quick test is your first step to unlocking higher profits. So there you have it, your scrap starter pack. Now, here's your first assignment. Grab a magnet, put on some gloves, and go find your first piece of scrap metal. Maybe it's an old nail, a discarded can, or a random bolt. Use that magnet test. Tell us what you found in the comments below, and let us know if it was ferrous or non-ferrous. In our next episode, we're diving deep into the world of aluminum, the king of light metals. We'll show you how to turn those cans, cast pieces, and extrusions into serious cash. Don't miss it. Keep scrapping smart, and I'll see you next time.